Kia Sportage QL. Cowl crossbar replacement. 1. Remove the cowl top cover. 2. Remove the front wiper motor. 3. Remove the main crash pad assembly. 4. Disconnect the steering column connectors. 5. Remove the accelerator pedal. 6. Remove the rear duct, A. 7. Separate the floor carpet, A, to obtain space for removing the rear heating duct. 8. Remove the rear heating duct, A, after loosening the bolts. 9. Disconnect the connector, A, and the mounting clips in the front pillar. 10. Disconnect the multi-box connectors, A. 11. Disconnect the smart key antenna connector, A. 12. Disconnect the airbag control module, SRSCM, connector, A, and wiring mounting clip. 13. Disconnect the smart key unit connector, A, temperature actuator, B, mode actuator, C. Drivers. 14. Disconnect the wiring mounting clip, A. 15. Disconnect the temperature actuator, A, power MOSFET, B, cluster ionizer, C, connectors and disconnect the wiring mounting clips. Passengers. 16. Disconnect the intake actuator, A, auto defogging, B, connectors and disconnect the wiring mounting clips. 17. Disconnect the blower motor connector, A, and disconnect the wiring clip. 18. Disconnect the BCM unit connectors, A. 19. Loosen the cowl crossbar mounting bolts, A. 20. Remove the cowl crossbar mounting bolt cap, A. 21. Remove the cowl crossbar assembly, A, after loosening the mounting bolts and nuts. Driver side. Passenger side. 22. Install in the reverse order of removal. Installation notes. Make sure the crash pad fits onto the guide pins correctly. Before tightening the bolts, make sure the crash pad wire harnesses are not pinched. Make sure the connectors are plugged in properly, and the antenna LED is connected properly. Enter the anti-theft code for the radio, then enter the customer's radio station presets. I hope this information is helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions.